Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cup of espresso with a DeLonghi Magnifica coffee machine. Step number 1 of making coffee using pre-ground coffee is to get some pre-ground coffee, as you can see. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine and dirty it. This could damage the appearance, of course. Never use more than one level measure, or it could dirty to inside the machine or block the funnel, of course. And there it is. In this center cover, we have to dip in the pre-ground coffee later. This is the pre-ground spoon. And there it is, fresh pre-ground coffee. We will dip this kind of pre-ground coffee inside the coffee spoon and take care never to use more than one level measure. Oh, this is important, okay? If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. This is important too, because there's not enough power to make 2 coffees at one time, okay? Yeah, this is nice. Nice shape and nice level of this. Okay, now first turn the coffee taste machine on, because we do not add the pre-ground coffee to this if the machine is switched off. Okay, there on the left side, this is the on button, sorry about this. And now the machine will perform the first flash. The machine is cleaning, and now we have to look at these switches. Turn the coffee taste selection knob anti-clockwise as far as it will go to the spoon position. This allows to make coffee with pre-ground coffee, of course. And as you can see now, some water is coming out. This is a normal function, because the first time after we get the machine on, or we get the machine out of standby mode, the machine will clean itself by one tube flushing a little bit. So, and on the left side you can see the LEDs are flashing. That means the coffee machine is not ready yet. But there's one thing you have to do. You have to fill up the water tank with water. You do not have this to perform every time, but for example, we will perform it now. Dip so much water inside until the maximum range of the tank is reached. This is important too, to have enough water to make fresh pre-ground coffee with the machine, of course. There it is. I will show you the maximum line. This is over there. Wait a little bit. There it is. Okay, there is the maximum level for fresh water inside the tank. Now we have to assemble or get back the tank in position. And now we have enough water to make fresh coffee. Good job again. So, now the machine is ready to use. Good job. Oh yeah. Now we can make a little checkup. Everything is fine. The first flash performance is done. The LEDs are always on. That means the DeLonghi Magnifica is ready to use. So, now make sure the funnel is not blocked. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Only dip it in the center and let it in. Good job. This is enough 1 cup of coffee. 1 cup. of coffee, 1 cup of cappuccino, 1 cup of espresso, as you like. And as I am showing you not yet, but later. Okay, dip it in 1 time. And inside, the pre-ground coffee will chill a little bit in the tank, and then it will perform your hot coffee. Good job. Now close the cover again. Say salut to the pre-ground coffee. Good job. Now we can begin to make our delicious coffee product. Let's go.
So it's ready to use. The machine is ready. The cup is ready. It's a small cup for espresso. The espresso is a small cup of coffee, and it's strong. Strong because there's not so space inside of the cup. Dip out the coffee extraction device so deep as it goes, and then have a look at the machine, at the ready to rumble machine. There are 2 levers. One lever on the right side has to be at the spoon, and on the left side, this is the setting for how much coffee will come inside your cup. We will set it to 3 or 3.5. This is enough for 1 espresso out of pre-ground coffee. So, check it out. And if everything is right, you push the button for 1 coffee. Then the machine is going to get the pre-ground coffee out of the middle side of the machine. It will pump a little bit of water and heat it up and give it to your cup and make a delicious espresso for you with crema. This is enough to make 1 cup of espresso. You can switch a little bit more or a little bit less if you like it, or as you like it. So that it is to make 1 easy making espresso with your DeLonghi Magnifica machine, and you are using your pre-ground coffee. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.